What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. If you're getting a funky smell from your bathroom, kitchen sink, any kind of sink in the house, the first thing that I would do if I were you is look underneath this sink and see if you have a Studor valve or an AAC, an air at minutes valve. Looks like this. The reason you may have this is a lot of people, when they think of a sink, think of a vent hood, or a vent pipe pretty much going through the ceiling. What these Studor valves do, or AAC valves, is allow you to use one vent going through your roof for the entire house. So you'll see that, this is an enclosed space, enclosed unit. It just has our drain going down and does not have a vent going up. The other thing is it saves money, and again, it just keeps holes in the roof. So what we're going to do today, because we're smelling a sewer gas smell, it's likely that this AAC or Studor valve has gone bad since it's already installed, unless this P-trap is just a nightmare. And I'm not a plumber. I don't claim to be. You guys can talk about how the people installed this all you want. I did not install it. All I'm going to do is fix this sewer smell today. So what I did is I went on Amazon. I bought a new Studor valve. This is an Odie, however they pronounce this thing. I'm going to take it out of the plastic. I'm going to put some mega tape on it. Any kind of Teflon tape will work. Just like always, wrap the tape the opposite way that you will be threading. And we're going to get this thing threaded up. So that's the plan. That will fix the sewer smell. If it does not fix it, I will not be posting this video. I'll post a link if you have these kind of setups to where you can get these next day off Amazon. It showed up the next day at my house. I'll also post a link for some Teflon if you guys don't have that. But let's go ahead and unscrew this AAC or Studor valve, and I'll show you guys. No camera tricks or anything. Once we get in here, in many cases, it's just barely on. So I won't make you watch that whole thing, but I'm just going to take that all the way off, and I can smell it. So there's the old one, took it off. We do not need that piece since it's already installed from the old one. We're just gonna mega tape it. It looks good to me. And this one's quite a bit smaller than the last, but it does fit. And there you have it. We're gonna throw the old unit away and monitor the smell for the next few hours. Should be a fix, guys. Let me know if this helped.